Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's map the key obstacles in sustaining performance of connection rate in a contact center. Even if improved, this KPI is difficult to sustain because it is highly sensitive to external factors. Let's now turn to the key obstacles in sustaining the performance of connection rate. The first challenge is data decay and poor lead quality. Customer phone numbers change frequently, and when data isn't kept up to date, connection opportunities are quickly lost. Purchased lists can make the problem worse, often containing invalid, recycled, or outdated numbers. The impact is clear. Unless data is continuously refreshed and validated, connection rates will inevitably decline over time. Another major obstacle in sustaining a strong connection rate is spam or scam labeling of numbers. Carriers and mobile devices often flag high-volume outbound numbers as spam likely. Once that happens, customers are far less likely to answer, and in many cases, they may even block the number entirely. The solution is clear. To sustain performance, contact centers must constantly manage number reputation through rotation, monitoring, and proactive caller ID practices. A third obstacle in sustaining connection rate is regulatory restrictions. Laws such as TCPA in the US, TRAI in India, and GDPR in Europe place strict limits on dialing, including how many attempts can be made, at what times, and with what frequency. As these compliance rules grow stricter, the pool of dialable numbers shrinks, and retry opportunities become more limited. The reality is, compliance is non-negotiable, but it requires smarter strategies and technology to sustain healthy connection rates within regulatory boundaries. Another common obstacle to sustaining a strong connection rate is customer call avoidance. Many customers today simply ignore calls from unknown or untested numbers. On top of that, generational preferences make a difference. Younger audiences, for example, often prefer messaging apps or digital channels over traditional phone calls. The key takeaway: customer behavior is evolving, and without trust-building strategies and channel flexibility, connection rates will continue to decline. Another obstacle to sustaining a strong connection rate is call timing challenges. We know that customers are more reachable during specific windows, like evenings for B2C or business hours for B2B. But these windows are limited. When calls are made outside of these optimal times, not only do answer rates drop, but repeated mistimed attempts can also lower the chances of customers answering in the future. The lesson is clear: sustaining performance means dialing smarter, not just more often. Timing is everything when it comes to connection success. Another challenge to sustaining connection rate comes from carrier and network barriers. At the carrier level, calls can be blocked, misrouted, or affected by poor connectivity, all of which reduce the number of live connections. This problem becomes even more pronounced with international dialing, where connection reliability is typically lower due to cross-network dependencies. The key insight: strong partnerships and reliable network infrastructure are essential to overcome these barriers and maintain healthy connection rates. Another obstacle to sustaining a strong connection rate is dialer-agent mismatch. When predictive dialers place more calls than there are available agents, live connections are dropped. This not only wastes valuable opportunities but also harms customer trust, especially if they experience dead air when answering a call. The key takeaway: without tight alignment between dialer pacing and agent availability, even strong dialing efforts can backfire, reducing connection rates and damaging customer confidence. Another critical obstacle to sustaining a healthy connection rate is list saturation and overdialing. When the same leads are called too frequently, the probability of them answering goes down sharply. Instead of improving performance, repeated attempts can lead to frustration, with many customers eventually ignoring or even blocking future calls. The message is clear: overdialing burns through your lists and damages trust. A smarter, balanced dialing cadence is essential to protect connection rates over the long term. Another obstacle to sustaining connection rate is campaign type sensitivity. Not all campaigns are created equal. Telemarketing and sales campaigns often face lower connection rates, as many customers avoid these calls. In contrast, service-oriented campaigns, such as appointment reminders or delivery updates, typically achieve much higher connection rates because customers expect and value them. The challenge is clear: it's difficult to sustain uniformly high connection rates across different campaign types, so strategies must be adapted to the nature and purpose of each campaign. A final obstacle to sustaining a strong connection rate is monitoring and analytics gaps. Without ongoing analysis, broken down by region, carrier, or list source, sudden drops in connection performance may go unnoticed until it's too late. Sustaining healthy connection rates requires constant monitoring, proactive tuning, and rapid issue resolution to keep campaigns on track. The key takeaway: you can't sustain what you don't measure. Continuous analytics is the safety net that protects connection performance over the long term. Let's wrap up with a summary of the obstacles in sustaining connection rate. There are two main categories of challenges. External obstacles include strict regulations, spam or scam labeling, carrier-level call blocks, and customer call avoidance. Internal obstacles include data decay, overused or saturated lists, poor dialer-to-agent alignment, and weak monitoring practices. In short, connection rate is a fragile metric. Sustaining it over the long term requires continuous data hygiene, strong compliance management, and active caller ID reputation protection. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.